Alright folks, welcome back to the Don's channel. I am the Don Father and I'm about to do a reaction to Buddy Brown, the beer truck, and this is for Brian Parrish, a brand new patron of the channel. Thanks very much Brian for your support, it's greatly appreciated. I'm not familiar with the song so I'm looking forward to it. The link to the original video as always will be in the description section below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share and put the bell on. Anyway, I'm just going to get straight into it. No more talking. Let's go.
It was a real hard day when the beer ran out. We were sitting in the parking lot all bummed out, and the only thing we could think is he might be stuck. We knew it'd been raining and the mud ran deep, so we climbed in the pickup with the 43s. I grabbed a tow rope and prayed it'd be strong enough, 'cause somebody's gotta save the beer truck. Minutes later on the side of the road sat a big long rig by an old light pole. I looked at my buddy, said hook it on up, get the four-wheel pulling, somebody's gotta save the beer truck. We pulled him out and everyone cheered. The trucker gave us a case of beer to each of our boys that helped him out of that hole. Shook hands with the man and followed him back down a two-lane road making mud tracks. You get your picture in the paper with a 10-point buck, but a statue in the square if you save the beer truck. Y'all should have seen my uncle with his hands on his hips, smiling ear to ear when he heard what I did. I was a champion of my small town. We're gonna party tonight 'cause the truck's here now. We pulled him out and everyone cheered. The trucker gave us a case of beer to each of our boys that helped him out of that hole. We shook hands with the man and followed him back down a two-lane road making mud tracks. You get your picture in the paper with a 10-point buck, but a statue in the square if you save the beer truck. We shook hands with a man, following him back down a two-lane road making mud tracks. You get your picture in the paper with a 10-point buck, but a statue in the square if you save the beer truck. Yeah, we save the beer truck.
That was absolutely brilliant. Let me tell you something though. What an epic fail from that town for ever running out of beer anywhere and relying on a beer truck. Either they're all full-scale, full-blown raging alcoholics that have drank the town dry, or the supply to that town is nothing short of abysmal. Abysmal. Failure to prepare is preparing to fail. Prior planning and preparation prevents piss poor performance. Come on guys, get that town's act together. I'd be questioning the mayor of the town, what the hell are you doing? Or the governor, whoever it is, the sheriff, bring him in. Let's get some convictions. Why has this town run out of beer? This is an absolute fundamental, shameful disgrace. But yes, they saved the beer truck and everybody was happy, smiling like Cheshire cats. His uncle was smiling like a Cheshire cat. Everybody was delighted. and rightly so. There's never been a time in that small town's past that anybody has deserved a bronze statue in the square as them for saving that beer truck. Absolutely brilliant. Just a feel-good fun tune, just a little bit of a comedy tune there, but good. Just the attitude of the South, just loving life and taking a few beers, the simple life, mingling with each other and having a good time. Brilliant. Thanks very much, Brian, for the request. I enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and put the bell on so you don't miss any of our future uploads. And also, if you'd like a personalised video request and shout out, join our Patreon account as a patron and follow the tiers from there, or simply join the channel as a member and follow the perks on how to do so. Thanks very much for watching, everyone. I am the Don Fella, and I'll see you all soon. Goodbye.